So they said that assistive technology is not only for students with disabilities, it is well known that students with disabilities are underserved for a number of reasons. In this survey, only 5% of respondents indicate that they have a disability for which they need assistive technology. However, when provided with a list of specific assistive technologies, every item on the list was selected as necessary by at least 18% of respondents. Over a third of respondents, which is 38%, said that they need captions on videos. In fact, when asked about the most effective use of technology they have experienced since the beginning of the academic year, many respondents mentioned recorded lectures and specifically called out features such as reading closed captions, pausing for note taking, and rewatching to improve understanding. And we know that learning has moved to online in half of all college student experiences now. This online environment has the potential to offer a UDL lens on our approach to teaching and learning. Captions will, of course, support your pursuit of accessibility and inclusion, but they also go beyond that. Those students with undiagnosed challenges that will benefit from captions are also included. Think about those with executive function challenges, processing challenges, and those facing mental health challenges. The ability to read and reflect on what was said live in the class offers another means of input for the content, but possibly as well as a method to reflect on post-lecture 2 with a transcript.